So we've done a little challenge for the kids this morning. They had to get ready, get all their stuff for school ready. I'm whispering because it's a secret. And they've done all that. And they've been going to the new school now for a couple of months for term 1. And they haven't liked it at all. They really want to go back to their old school. So the secret today is they've got a mystery box here with their old stuff in it. So they're going to go back to their old school with all their friends. So they don't know what they're trying to send me. They're trying to find out what's going on. Alright, they're down there, look. They're down there trying to find out what's going on. But they're not gonna yet. Alright, I think we're ready to go. We've got the mystery box here. I'm gonna see what their reaction's gonna be. Should be massive. Ooh. Ooh. Almost copped the box. Uh-oh. We got Winters. Uh-oh. I'm stuck, guys. The baby gate's got me. Someone's got to open the gate. I'm stuck on the gate. It's childproof, and I'm stuck. You guys all ready to go to school? Yeah. Yeah? Go to the table. Go to the table. Alright, just wait. Mystery box is there. Okay. Oh, don't you wait. What are you doing over there? Alright, let's move this stuff out of the way. You ready, Mum? Oh. It's not from Catch. I'm just warning you now, okay?
It looks like it's from Catch.
It does, doesn't it? We use the Catch box. We use the Catch box. What do you think? Come on. What do you think it is?
Pokemon.
Pokemon? You think it's Pokemon?
I think it's something for games.
You think it's something for games? Do
Is
ya?
there 2 items in here? One for both of us.
It's not so much an item. Not so much an item, but more of what are you going to do for the rest of this year?
Play games.
Yeah, Skyla got thinking then, didn't she? Hey?
Yeah.
What are you going to do for the rest of the year?
Play video games.
Hey? You ready? Ready to open it up?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Open it up. What is it? What's the bag?
Guffey tree.
You guys got the wrong uniform on. You're going back to Guthrie.
Are we?
Today!
Yay!
Really? For real? For real livesies? Skyla can't believe it. She's like, really? How cool is that? Oh, Skyla's so happy. Oh, Skyla. You get to go back to all your friends.
Happy cry?
That's so happy, Brian. Look at it. Aww.
Where's my bag?
Yours is up on the hanger already.
You get to take stuff out of yours.
Hey, I told you it was a big changer. Hey, you get to go back to all your friends.
Get out and get dressed.
You okay? You so happy?
Does our teachers know?
Yeah.
Oh, we forgot to tell them. How cool is that, Preston? Guess what? You got the wrong uniform on. I told you to get dressed this morning.
No. I can see my best
Oh, I'm so happy. Get to see all your friends again.
I can see my best friend.
Quick, get dressed.
So,
Here we go, 15 minutes.
these guys, Got the wrong uniform. Go. Get dressed into your uniform.
Bubble.
Yeah, I don't know why that was in there. I'll take them. They're probably in your backpack. Because your backpack was in there. And you got to change your backpacks too.
Okay.
Alright, go!